Hey guys, welcome to another video. So my mom is here in Gurgaon and today she is making peas paratha. So let's check out her recipe. So first we are starting by adding some oil to the pan. Some cumin seeds. Now she's adding some hing. This is ginger garlic paste. Now we are gonna add half kg peas. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, salt as per taste, and now we will cover this and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. So it has been about 3 to 4 minutes and peas are looking good. They are little softer now. They need to cook more for about 5 minutes at medium flame. So here we are after 5 minutes. And it should be like this, cooked properly. So it's done. Now we will remove it and let it cool down for some time. Now we are going to blend these peas into coarse paste. So the final filling should look something like this. It is not very coarsey, it's not very fine also. And you can taste it at this time and add any other spices if you want. Now it's time to roll out the parathas. And this is how pros do it. And this is not a diet food, guys, so you need to use a lot of oil to cook this paratha properly. So paratha is ready. Time for taste test. So my brother agreed to do the taste test here. Let's see how is it. Extra careful kid. How is it? How is it? See, that's how you do taste test.
Oh yeah.
So that was all for today. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in another video. Till then, bye bye.